What's up, guys? Quick video. We each got 5 Battle Styles packs. We're gonna have a battle of Battle Styles. Oh my god. Fight! Round 1. We're gonna open up these packs. I don't know what's gonna really happen in this video, but we're gonna open packs.
Yeah, open pack. Whoever wins can win that sticker.
Yes. Winner gets a roly-coly sticker.
Oh, I'll reach for it.
Yeah.
First, we gotta show this beauty.
Check that out.
Big winner.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken dinner.
Gets the sticker.
Winner gets the sticker.
There's the code card for my Battle Style pack. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And mine.
Wow.
Mine is much better than his.
Probably.
Don't forget.
Probably. We got fighting energy. Appropriate.
Oh, well, I got dark. Which is more appropriate.
Oh, no.
Because it matches my energy.
Oh.
I don't know where I'm going with anything anymore.
Lift up your back.
What is this?
Get out of here.
It's a weird little fish.
That's it.
Pew. Hey!
Yo, let's go.
Urshifuvi. Yo.
That's the rapid strike? Or no, that's single strike.
Looks like I'm gonna be, might be winning that sticker.
I want the sticker.
No, sticker's my sticker.
Actually, you know what I
Find
want?
your own sticker.
Fine.
John Wick.
Fine. You know what I want? I want you to hit that subscribe button. 125 subscribers. I'm opening up that Team Rocket pack.
Say what?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
God.
Share the video, please.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Hi, my name is Squeezeby, and if you don't come down to snack and subscribe, we're not going to be able to open up 125 Pokemon cards. Oh my god, I said it wrong. Just subscribe!
We may have an intruder.
Pika.
Hey, get away from my camera, kitty. The Kajit. Yes.
Keep stepping. Keep stepping.
That's right. Get out of here.
Don't want to mess with this.
There we go.
Hoorah!
Hooah!
Psychic! Leaf! Lame.
Slap.
Slap like!
Now.
Slap like now! Oh, damn. We failed.
We failed because you did not slap like.
How you gonna slap like? Now we're gonna succeed. Magic! Oh!
Oh.
Tyranitar!
Obviously, we want that alternative art, Tyranitar.
Oh, that thing would be cool.
I need it in my life.
That's like literally the only card this whole set that I want.
Yeah, basically.
Can we double up on the card? Stay tuned. Not this bad.
We got water.
Dark energy.
You're still up by 1, so
That's
I need to catch up.
They have a lot of these alternate fighting, all these alternate energies.
Sugar.
I'll give you some pie for that sugar. Oh, oh, oh. Jelly scent. Nice words. Got quite the names nowadays, Mr. Pokemon Man.
2 packs. 2 Urshifus.
All remain. One shall come out on top and win the ultimate prize of roly-coly sticker.
Sticker. Senor, please. If we tie, I get the sticker on the weekends. It's only fair.
Water.
Metal.
I
Yamper.
didn't know you were singing
Your
nowadays.
Slowpoke. Slightly. Hamburgers.
Fresh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, you're so full! Oh my god!
I'm
Oh my
pretty sure that's
God.
actually a really good one. I think that's
Look what I win! Oh my god! I
This
go
is
with
the-
Nika!
the full art variant. This is a good one.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Slap like.
And hit the subscribe.
If
I'll
you
stop
want
talking like that.
But I mean, if you don't want to subscribe, then I guess you just don't want to see me open that, that Team Rocket pack.
It'd be pretty nice. It'd be pretty funny.
That would be.
And what, at 1,000 subscribers, we eating the gummy bear? Has that been decided?
I guess. Officially, yes. 1,000 subscribers, we're going to eat the world's hottest gummy bear. There's the code.
I'm gonna have to call him for work that
Yeah,
week.
like I'm not going to work today.
I can't do it this week, boss. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I just can't.
Ooh.
I had to go to the ER.
Yo, after that Pocky Chip challenge, darkness. After that Pocky Chip challenge, though, I literally debated going to the hospital.
Shit was intense.
It
It got
was.
intense for a little bit.
Like, really intense. Well,
Alright.
not really intense, but still pretty intense. Alright, reverse hollow. And...
Cards. Yeah! I'm so full! There's another one! Oh! I win the sticker!
No
I win the
sticker.
sticker! I win the sticker!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
I didn't want the stupid sticker anyway. It's for playability, not collecting. Like, people want you to be playing the TCG, which is fine. I just don't play the TCG.
Understandable.
Yeah,
Whatever,
fucking,
that's what it's meant for.
you got all 3 cards. You weenie.
And I got the sticker.
And he got the sticker.
I got the sticker.
Don't forget, 125 subscribers, opening that Team Rocket Unlimited pack. Check me out on Twitch, EddieNorth666 on Twitter. This is Gooch.
I'm here.
Bye.